So successfully scanned.
Oh, good. Your dogs are going to be going to the cabin with you, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
You've got muzzles for your dogs?
Yes, we have.
You can show me, please.
Yes,
Yep.
sure. Are you going to have to
I'll
go?
get the nurse
Yeah.
in the back.
Lovely, thank you. Just going to come pop a sticker on your windscreen. Hello.
Behave yourselves.
Yeah.
Shush.
And that's our sticker. To show we've got dogs. There you go. But they don't stay in the car anyway. It probably shows us where we've got to go. Oh, they've got look, different ones
Do
up
you
there.
have EU residency at all?
No.
No.
If you can hang that on your rear view mirror, please. Numbers facing outwards. Thank you.
Right.
Your cabin keys are in your passport. Security will open at 6 o'clock and the marshal will let you know which lane, okay?
Brilliant.
Brilliant. Thanks so
Fantastic.
much. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.